They say the best camera you have is the one you have on you. There's one camera that I have always got on me when I travel. The most nifty, innovative little camera you can buy. Let's get into it. I'm absolutely useless at capturing photos and videos when I go on holiday or when I travel. By the time I get my camera out or get my phone out of my pocket, the moment's normally past. So one camera I always take with me now wherever I go is this. This is the Insta360 Go 2. What you're looking at here is actually the charging case. So this isn't even the camera itself. And you can see how tiny this is. Literally fits in my palm, easily slips into any pocket, let alone a bag. And this just allows you to take it literally anywhere you go. And the mounting solutions on this, it's all based on magnets. It's the easiest camera you could ever imagine to use. So we're going to go into this little camera and find out a little bit more about what makes it so great for travelers, for videographers who just want something they can easily slip in their pocket, or for just people who like having a bit of fun. And that is the main thing about this camera, is it's just so fun to use. So even if you're not serious about video, it's just a great thing to have on you when you're traveling. This is really framed in terms of the marketing as an action camera, so it's really a rival to things like GoPro, but I'm not really too into action sports or things like that. So for my use, it is generally to kind of make holiday vlog style videos. I'll just wear it, have it on when we do a day trip on holiday, and just make sure it's always there to capture the right moment. Although it'd be really good for extreme sports type use or cycling, running, skiing, that type of thing, it's also just really fun for everyday kind of travel vlogging. So what you have here is a charging case. It looks a lot like the AirPods case, very slightly bigger than that, but it's very similar in design, and the camera lives inside the case. So if you open it up, what you'll see inside is that you have the camera that sits in here. So if we take the camera out for just a second, we'll pop the case to one side and we'll come back to that in a minute. So I just want you to have a look at how tiny that camera is. I mean, palm size is doing it a disservice. It is a fraction of the size of my palm. It's about the size of a cocktail sausage. This does have image stabilization built in, which is really important for those on-the-go moments or action moments. The stabilization on this is actually really good. The website says you can mount anywhere. It comes with 3 included mounts. So the first one you get is this pendant style mount, which you can wear obviously under your t-shirt or jumper. Put it around your neck and then clip the camera on like so. And there you go. It's a nice secure fit. That's not going anywhere. The magnets are really strong. This particular setup is great for discreet travel vlogging style, so you can just wear this on you all day. Every time you want to record something, you just literally push the front of the camera, and then you'll feel a little vibration to let you know that that's recording. And then when you want to stop, you just push again. When I'm on holiday, I just like to keep this on me, especially if you're wearing a white t-shirt or something. It's actually very difficult to detect this. It's honestly even quicker than whipping your phone out and getting the camera app open. Just quickly pressing that to record a quick video is so quick and easy. Mount number 2 is designed to go on a baseball cap, which I've got here. So we've got that on, and again, the camera just magnetically clips in. And obviously you're recording similarly. So you can even wear multiple mounts. So I can have the chest mount on and the hat mount if I want to capture different angles at different points of my trip. I can just easily switch between the two. Magnetic, simple as that. The third mount you get with it is this Wii remote style, intended mainly for when you're in the water. So this camera is waterproof, which we'll get onto, but then you can strap that on. No, you're not going to lose it. That's fixed on nice and tightly there. It's not going anywhere. Clip the camera in. Magnets are really strong, that's not falling out, so you can take that in the sea with you, take it in the pool. It has an additional feature, this mount, because if you slide this part open here, what you have is a sticky pad, so you can stick this onto a window, and it's kind of like an anywhere you go tripod setup. Really versatile 3 little mounts. They do also sell an additional GoPro adapter kit where you can buy extra mounts that will let you mount this onto a selfie stick, a tripod, or anything you like. The mounting options are amazing. If you're really kind of pixel peeping, you may still want to go for something like a GoPro, because this will only record in up to 1440p. You're not getting 4K, but it's more than HD. Still really, really good quality when you consider the size of this thing. It will record in up to 50 frames per second at 1440p. If you go to 1080p or lower, you can record in higher frame rates to get that slow motion footage. As I mentioned, it is waterproof, so I've got my glass of water here. I'm gonna start recording. See that indicated by the white light. I'm gonna drop it in to my glass of water. Let's peer over it. See if it can see me. Hello camera, hello. Although it doesn't float, so I'll be back in a sec. I'm just gonna get this out. Okay, I won't be trying that again, but waterproof, as you can see. There's various recording modes on this which can be set by the accompanying app. You can take hyperlapses, you can take slow motion videos, you can preview what's on the camera via the app as well. So if you want to use it as a remote, you can do that. And there's some really great editing features built into the Insta360 app as well. It will auto edit you a travel video with some music if you want just a quick edit of the clips you've taken, or you can do more bespoke edits, and actually, you know, the editing software is decently powerful for what you get. You get this charge case with it, so you drop it back in. Again, it's magnetic and it'll recharge, and also works as a remote. We've got the little record button on here. You can actually adjust some of the settings on here as well. So we're recording in pro video mode at the moment, 1440p, 50 frames per second, and 16:9 aspect ratio. You can actually reframe your videos as well in the app after the fact, and it will record the full field of view of the camera. You're not losing any quality when you reframe the shot afterwards. This handy little remote is great. You can have the camera obviously mounted in this type of mount, have it stuck onto a window somewhere, and then you can obviously remotely trigger the recording. So if I press the record button here on the remote, you will be able to see that the recording has started. We've got a flashing light, and you can stop the recording the same way. If you're on the go or you haven't got signal, you can adjust the settings straight from here. And the other brilliant feature of this charging case, this is where I just love how innovative Insta360 have been with this camera. It's got so many different kind of hidden features, and this is why I love it compared to something like a GoPro. It actually has its own little tripod legs, so you can set it up as a little on-the-go tripod. Start and stop the recording obviously from your phone if you like, or from the record button here, take a selfie, just set it on the side somewhere and record yourself. So the flexibility of this is incredible. You also get horizon leveling, and you can set this via the app. So along with the image stabilization, you can toggle on and off horizon leveling. It will lock the horizon so that when you're recording, it doesn't matter which way you orientate the camera. So if you're switching between, for example, your chest mount and your head mount, you've changed that camera from vertical to horizontal, but it locks the horizon for you. So we're going to take a look at some of the footage you can capture on this. So what you're looking at here is my travel footage captured on the Insta360 Go 2. All the footage here has been edited using nothing but the Insta360 Go app. Some of it is cropped in slightly because I exported it as vertical video for social media, but you can see the kind of quality you can get and that image stabilization, which is absolutely second to none. You can really make some great travel videos with this. So what about price? Insta360 are currently selling this on their website for £294.99. Price-wise, it's in that upper end bracket, and you can get 4K action cameras for this price or less even. But are they as fun as the Insta360 Go 2? I don't think so. This has been out for a couple of years now, and I still think this is the most fun you can have with a camera when you travel. If you're in the market for an action camera, or if you just enjoy a bit of fun travel vlogging, this is a really great option. It's not going to take up any space in your bag. You can chuck it in your pocket if you're going somewhere without a bag. And the convenience, the app, the mount, everything about this is absolutely brilliant. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to see more reviews like this, leave a comment down below. Let me know which products you want to see reviewed. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more like this. Thanks, and see you on the next one.